Thank you. So I know we are running late a little bit today, and it's just me between now and the coffee break, so I try to speed up to tell you. My name is Thomas, and I'm from IOmeter. We are operating here out of Berlin. So as Julia mentioned, we are raising a Series A late this year. Currently, we are operating from our founder and business angel seed investments. So our proposition is that we want to provide an ecosystem which processes real-time power metering data and provides this data to enable various solutions to save energy and control consumption. Just before me, my predecessors have shown a couple of examples of how the importance of data is, and it's our goal to bring another perspective and another option to this market. So you already see with the pictures here on this screen that we are building a solution which consists out of various components, and it adds a hardware component, it adds cloud software, and it adds also mobile applications. And we've also heard before, how can I go back? Okay, that the smart metering rollout in particular in Germany is lagging a lot. We've heard about 2%. This chart says about 1% installed base of smart metering of smart meters in Germany. Other countries in Europe are running way ahead, like Nordics or South, but there's also other countries in Germany which are running way behind the goal, which was set about 10 years ago to have a complete digital rollout of metering. There's another aspect to this whole rollout. The basic idea of smart meters is coming from achieving grid stability and billing solutions, which is all fine, which is all needed. We've all heard a lot about this also today and in the last days. But there's one thing which in a way was a bit left behind by all this idea of smart metering, and that's the customer. Behind all these metering points are 500 million people in the EU only. So how and if we could enable these people to understand their power consumption and then to start saving and to start changing their behavior and giving them tools in their hands to control. That's the way we want to solve this. So we have built a very user-friendly smart upgrade to digital meters. So luckily, in particular for Germany, but that's also true for other countries, all digital meters have an optical interface in front of the meter. So those optical interfaces provide exactly the data which we all need and which we're all looking for. And we have provided a simple system which any user in their own home can install very simply within 10 minutes, and it provides real-time data. So our whole ecosystem consists out of this hardware solution, applications, cloud software, and APIs for partners. And we are following up all of this for this idea to democratize the metering data, so make data available to basically everyone, so everyone can participate in helping to reduce electricity consumption. So how do we bring this to market, actually? So we kind of pre-listened to what Bart also mentioned yesterday in one of the sessions. So technology companies should partner. So that's one approach we're doing. So we're partnering with a couple of brands you see here on the chart. Some of them are already live, some of them are in the process of implementing. So, and then we are selling our solution either on one hand to the energy industry and on the one hand to retail and other multipliers to bring the product to the actual end users. We see a business perspective for Germany only that we could enable in the next 8 years about 3 million metering points with our solution in Germany. We have about an average revenue per metering point currently in our current business model of about €100. We are also testing additional revenue models which probably could give us a customer lifetime value of 150 to 200 million. So we're speaking about a business for Germany only which is 300 to 500 million euro. So we have traction, we have a patented solution We are live, so our product is finishing. We have already established first relationships with distributors and partners. We have over 50 pilots and projects, and we have 5-digit number of customers already running the solution very successfully. So I'm here for the rest of the day. I would be super happy to talk to you if you're interested to help, whether it's a partnership, investment, or any other thing which can help us to get it on this journey. Thank you.